Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to withdraw on Binance to your Gcash account. Go to your Binance account. I get my money here in Future Perpetua. And change future to spot. Make sure this is USDT. I withdraw my money all. Click max. Check your money again. Spot and transfer. USDT. Max and confirm transfer. Go to funding. Click P2P. Click sale. Choose payment method and click gcash. Make sure your gcash already bind in here in Binance. Talk to the customer and request please. Take the screenshot and proof of payment and send it to me. Wait the customer to respond. For payment. Before you click the payment received plus. Check on your Gcash account the amount is correct. Click transaction. And go back again to customer. Click payment received. And click I have received. Thank you for watching and God bless.